Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video guys, I will be showing you how to add context form on Squarespace tutorial for 2023. So, first of all guys, before we start this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you don't miss anything, and of course so you can understand everything without making any problem or mistake or error in your process of creating your own context form in your Squarespace website. So, after you do all of this, when you finish this video, please make sure to leave a like if you have created it successfully, and if you have faced any kind of problems or you had any questions, leave them down below and I shall respond to you guys. So without any further talking, let's get into it. So first of all, let's go ahead and open Squarespace. So let's open it from here. And here I will click on squarespace.com, and here is the website. Now all you need to do is connect your account and click on get started to create your own website. And here it is. Now make any temperatures with easy. So here's choose the type of website that you like. For example, there is online store, portfolio, memberships, blog, schedule, and one page. Here there is the topics. So if you merge these two, they will give you like the best template possible for your website. For example, if I choose memberships and I choose food, they will give me these two. If I choose scheduling and I choose entertainment, they will give me these ones. So it's up to you and what kind of website you'd like to do. So let's choose, for example, this arcade website. Now I clicked on it. All I need to do now is wait for it until it fully loads, and they will be creating it for me for in a couple seconds. So here it is now. Now what I'm going to do is click here and name the website. Let's name it tutorial. Click on next, 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 and get started. So now for us to be able to add the context form, what I'm going to do is click here, and after that I'm just going to click on this bar over here, over the header. You will find it here. So just click on it and click on edit. Now wait a little bit until they take us to the editing page. Here we go. Now guys, you can edit as much as you like. You can do whatever you'd like. So for example, let's add here a context form. How to do that? Let's add here a section, and as you can see, you will find here contacts. So from here you can choose whatever context form you'd like. There is multiple options. You choose whatever you have to like. So let's choose, for example, this one, and here it is. It has been created. Now basically you have the full access to anything, so you can edit the image that you have chosen for you. So let's replace this with a new one, upload file, and let's choose this, for example. Here I can change this to from context to, for example, form. Let's change it to contact form. Here we go. And basically now here we go. So this is the form. Here if I click on it, it will have the content. Here you can add and remove any kind of content you like. So for example, here there is the form name. So here is it. So here is name, first name, last name, email, subjects, and messages. Here you can edit form fields. So here's the name. You can remove the name. Here you can add the field. For example, you can add a checkbox, and this checkbox, for example, if you clicked on it, you'll find here the options. So here you can choose option one, change it to whatever you like. For example, man or male, and here female, and we can click on add new, for example, to personalize, something like that. But yeah, overall, this is how it works. Here you can make it required or not. Basically, the required fields are the ones that they will not be able to actually click on this button and submit it unless they have filled this option. So for example, if they didn't fill their names but they filled all other options and clicked on submit, they will not be able to actually submit it because they still need to fill their names. So here we can, for example, change it to important or required or not. So here's more options. Here you can change the name for the checkbox, for example, gender. You can name it gender. Here, let's go back. So name, we can edit as well. So you can change it to whatever you like from here. You can make it important or not. It depends on what you want. Here, the email, you can here add a fix. So here, for example, here, you must type your email at email.com. So this is an example. For example, and here subjects. So I'm going to click, for example, on subjects and make the same thing. What do you need from us? And here, for example, I go back to this message and write to us in details. So that's pretty much it, how we can make this look better in the way you want. Here you can add more fields. There is, for example, name, email, text area, checkbox, survey, line, date, time, hidden, text, phone, select, radio, address, website, number, currency, and Twitter. So you can choose one of these and do whatever you like. So for example, survey, I can add it here. And here you go. So this is a survey that they can answer to it, and you will receive like every detail of this survey in the email that you have chosen in your website. When you created it. So every detail here will be sent to you as an Excel sheet or a Google sheet. It depends on what kind of subscription you have chosen for your Squarespace. This can be on your Google Drive, so you will receive a spreadsheet, which is the Google sheet, or else you will have to receive like Excel sheet. Now here, after we finish that, you can click in here also to edit the things from here. So if I want to edit fields, you'll find here survey. Here you can go to options, and option one you can name it whatever you like, and of course you can change it to whatever you like. So if they agree and disagree, something like that. So you can here get their answers, and unfortunately you can't really change this unless you were good at CSS. If you were good with CSS, you can actually change it just by adding editing the code and etc. With the HTML and CSS, you can be able to change these answers. So yeah, and when you finish all of these, you can just go back. So let's click here, save, and now it will be published. So now we can go here, and as you can see, if I clicked over here, clicked on submit, you'll see that this message will appear to us. Says I didn't fill my name, email, and all of these things over here. So for example, let's fill this here, here, and let's copy this, paste it over here, mail, and here I'm going to now answer this. So if I click on submit, this time might be a problem because here I didn't put my last name, and here I didn't put my at gmail.com. Now let's go down, and after I click on submit, as you can see, has been submitted and sent to our email or whatever we have chosen in the beginning when we have created the website. So that is pretty much it, guys. You can make whatever kind of contact form that you want. It depends on what you are looking for and what is your website for. So this is pretty much it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you had any problems, once more, guys, make sure to leave them in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching.